Imagine a world where AI surpasses human intelligence not just in one domain, but across the board. A world where machines can learn, adapt, and innovate at an exponential rate, rendering entire industries obsolete. Sounds like science fiction. Think again. In 2023, Anthropic has made headlines with its groundbreaking research on large language models. Their latest advancements have sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving many to wonder what this means for the future of work, innovation, and progress. Led by Dr. Dario Amodei, Anthropic CEO, the company has been at the forefront of AI research for years. But their recent breakthroughs are nothing short of revolutionary. By leveraging novel techniques in transformer architectures and multimodal learning, Anthropic's models have achieved unprecedented levels of performance on a range of tasks. Take, for example, their language model, Claude 2.0. In a series of high-profile benchmarks, Claude outperformed its human counterparts by an astonishing margin, up to 99% accuracy in certain domains. This is not just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. The implications are far-reaching, from automating complex tasks in fields like law and medicine to generating content that rivals human creativity. But what's even more astounding is the sheer scope of Anthropic's ambitions. Their researchers have been experimenting with multimodal learning, combining language, vision, and other forms of data to create truly holistic models. The potential applications are staggering. Imagine AI systems capable of interpreting images, understanding complex nuances in language, and generating human-like responses all at once. The world is on the cusp of a revolution, one that will disrupt industry norms, challenge our assumptions about intelligence and creativity, and forever alter the trajectory of technological progress. Anthropic's recent advancements are just the beginning, but what does this mean for us? Anthropic's recent advancements in artificial intelligence have been met with a mix of awe and trepidation. The company's latest breakthroughs, announced earlier this year at the annual AI conference in San Francisco, sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving many to wonder what implications these developments might hold. At its core, Anthropic's innovation centers around a novel approach to training language models. By leveraging a technique known as foundational reasoning, their AI systems are able to better comprehend and generate human-like text. This breakthrough is particularly significant, given the proliferation of online content in recent years, from social media posts to e-commerce reviews. Anthropic's research suggests that their AI can now grasp nuances of language that were previously beyond its capabilities. For instance, their models have demonstrated a marked improvement in understanding idioms and colloquialisms, which are ubiquitous in everyday communication. In one notable experiment, an Anthropic-trained model accurately predicted the meaning of a particular phrase, even when it was used in a manner that deviated from its literal definition. As news of these advancements spread, industry leaders began to weigh in on their potential impact. Some experts predict that Anthropic's breakthroughs will lead to significant improvements in areas such as content generation and automated customer service. Others have raised concerns about the risks associated with more advanced AI systems, including issues related to bias, security, and accountability. Dr. Dario Amodei, Anthropic's chief scientist, has stated publicly that the company is committed to ensuring its technology is developed and deployed responsibly. While questions remain regarding how these advancements will be implemented in real-world settings, one thing is clear: Anthropic's innovations are poised to disrupt industry norms as we know them. With a market valuation now exceeding $1 billion, Anthropic has become a darling of the tech world. Its growing influence extends beyond the AI community, with investors and entrepreneurs alike taking notice of the company's rapid progress. As the year 2023 draws to a close, it remains to be seen how Anthropic's breakthroughs will shape the future of artificial intelligence, but one thing is certain: this is an era that will not soon be forgotten. Anthropic's latest advancements have been fueled by their significant investment in multimodal models, which can comprehend and generate vast amounts of text data. One notable example is the company's large language model, Llama. Developed through a combination of internal research and collaborations with prominent academics, Llama boasts an unprecedented scale. Its massive 13 billion parameter count enables it to process and respond to complex queries at speeds previously unimaginable. According to Dr. Dario Amodei, Anthropic CEO, the company's breakthroughs have been driven by the integration of transfer learning techniques, which enable their AI models to generalize across a wide range of tasks and domains. This is exemplified in Llama's ability to not only comprehend but also generate coherent text on an unprecedented scale. Studies conducted using Llama have yielded remarkable results. One experiment demonstrated the model's capacity for generating creative content at levels comparable to human writers. The implications are far-reaching, with potential applications in everything from marketing and advertising to education and entertainment. Anthropic's research has also made significant strides in the field of multimodal learning, where AI models can learn to process and respond to diverse forms of input, including images, audio, and text. This development holds immense promise for industries like healthcare, finance, and logistics, where accurate and efficient processing of complex data is crucial. The scope and ambition of Anthropic's research have raised the bar for competitors and industry leaders alike. As we continue to explore the boundaries of AI capabilities, one thing becomes increasingly clear: the future will be shaped by those who can harness the power of multimodal models like Llama. As we dive deeper into the implications of Anthropic's recent AI advancements, it becomes clear that their impact will be felt far beyond the confines of the tech world. The sheer scale and complexity of their research has led to a fundamental shift in our understanding of what is possible with artificial intelligence. According to Dr. Dario Amodei, co-founder and CEO of Anthropic, their latest models have achieved unprecedented levels of performance in tasks such as language translation, question answering, and even creative writing. One area where these advancements will have a profound impact is in the field of education. Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that can not only tailor lessons to an individual student's learning style but also adapt to their unique pace and strengths. Anthropic's models are capable of doing just this, using vast amounts of data to identify knowledge gaps and provide personalized feedback. The implications for industries such as healthcare and finance are equally significant. AI-assisted diagnosis and treatment planning will become more accurate and efficient, while predictive analytics will enable businesses to make data-driven decisions with unprecedented confidence. And yet, the most striking aspect of Anthropic's research is its potential to revolutionize the way we work. As automation becomes increasingly prevalent, jobs that were previously thought safe from AI will begin to disappear. But rather than being a cause for concern, this shift could be an opportunity for humans to focus on high-level creative and strategic thinking, areas where our unique cognitive abilities truly excel. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly clear that Anthropic's recent advancements are more than just incremental progress, they're a turning point. The company's latest research, published in a paper titled "Scaling Language Models with Supervised Pre-Training," has sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving experts scrambling to understand the full implications of their findings. One of the most significant revelations from this research is Anthropic's ability to train AI models on massive datasets, using a technique known as supervised pre-training. By leveraging vast amounts of labeled data, the company's models have achieved unprecedented levels of performance and efficiency. For instance, their latest model, Palm 2, has demonstrated remarkable capabilities in natural language processing tasks, outperforming previous state-of-the-art models by significant margins. But what's truly revolutionary about Anthropic's approach is its scalability. The company claims that their models can be trained on datasets of over 100 million examples, a feat that was previously thought to be impossible with current computing resources. This breakthrough has far-reaching implications for industries such as healthcare, finance, and education, where access to large amounts of high-quality data is often limited. As we explore the potential applications of Anthropic's technology, one name keeps popping up: Dr. Dario Amodei, the company's co-founder and CEO. Under his leadership, Anthropic has assembled a team of top-notch researchers who are pushing the boundaries of what's thought to be possible with AI. With Palm 2 as their flagship model, Anthropic is poised to revolutionize industry norms in ways we can hardly imagine. The implications of this research are far-reaching and multifaceted. For instance, in healthcare, Anthropic's models could potentially diagnose diseases more accurately than human doctors, freeing up medical professionals for more complex tasks. In finance, the company's technology could help detect patterns and anomalies that human analysts might miss, leading to better investment decisions. The possibilities seem endless, but one thing is certain: Anthropic's recent advancements are a harbinger of a new era in artificial intelligence, one that will forever change the way we live and work. As we wrap up our exploration of Anthropic's groundbreaking AI advancements, it's clear that the future is now.